Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious Caesar salad with a distinct Filipino flair. We'll explore the key ingredients and techniques that transform this classic dish into something truly special. Get ready to elevate your salad game with a taste of the Philippines. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring a perfect, flavorful result every time. The heart of our Pinoy Caesar salad lies in its unique dressing. Instead of anchovies, we use 1 teaspoon of bagoong or fermented shrimp paste for a deeper umami flavor. Fresh calamansi juice, about 2 tablespoons, replaces lemon, adding a distinct citrusy zest. Combine this with 1 teaspoon of fish sauce, 1 cup of mayonnaise, and minced garlic for a truly authentic taste. For the salad base, we'll use 3 hearts of crisp romaine lettuce, torn into bite-sized pieces. Next, add your croutons. For an extra Pinoy touch, toast them in chicken oil until golden brown. Instead of Parmesan, grate about 1/2 cup of queso de bola, a semi-hard cheese with a delightful, mild flavor. These components create a wonderful texture and taste combination. Once all your components are ready, gently toss the romaine, croutons, and queso de bola with your flavorful Pinoy dressing. For an even heartier meal, consider adding grilled chicken or crispy tuyo flakes as a topping. This salad is best enjoyed fresh, so serve it immediately to savor its vibrant flavors and satisfying crunch. Enjoy your homemade Pinoy-style Caesar salad.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.